If I had to pick my favorite burger, it would be a mushroom Swiss burger. But again, I love anything with mushrooms. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy and delicious mushroom Swiss burger. What a mouthful. To my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, 8 ounces of sliced white mushrooms. To season that, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of dried parsley. Give that a stir and you're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. Just be sure to go in there and stir it often. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. To toast up the buns, I like to put it under the broiler for a little bit, and I'm just putting some butter on top. You can use any bun you like, but my favorites are to use a brioche bun like I'm using right now, or you can use a potato bun. That's really good too. For the meat, I'm just using my burger patties here that's already made, and I'm just seasoning it really simple, just salt and black pepper. And I'm cooking this over medium-high heat. Now to cook this, it depends on how you like your meat, if you like it rare or medium rare or well done. And I'm cooking mine well done because I like my meat well cooked. I think maybe it's just a Caribbean in me, like we cook things to death, so I'm really cooking this thing. No, give me no raw meat, me can't handle that. So you just cook it to how you like it. And make sure you season the next side with salt and black pepper also. I almost forgot to season the next side. Don't forget to go check out my other channel called Cooking with Shirani Shorts. I'm posting all my reels over there, so go check it out, go subscribe. It's just a fun little channel. As soon as you take it out of the pan, you'll want to put your Swiss cheese on top so it could melt. Okay, now I'm just going to put down my bun, top it with the meat and cheese, and then the mushrooms. And that's it, that's all I do. I know some people put a sauce on the bun, but for me, I have to say I like it plain. Well, not really plain, just butter. I just butter it and toast it up a little bit, and that's it for me. And I have tried it with a lot of different sauces, and I prefer it plain. But if you want a sauce, you can put a sauce on there. That's up to you. Also, if you want some onion with your mushrooms, you can cook it together. And I like it with onions sometimes and sometimes I don't. It all depends on how I feel, but it's good either way. So I hope you give this one a try. It's really simple, it's really good, it's my favorite. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.